How you doing? I'm going to show you real quick how to change halogen lights off of a 2020 Jeep Wrangler JL Sahara Unlimited. I'm going to make a short video. It's super quick. The option for these LED lights for this Jeep was $4,000, I think. And instead I got the one-touch sky roof, which is pretty awesome. But in the back panel right here, there's just a little clip. On the back side, there's this side that stays in, and this side that you're going to pop out. It's going to look like that. Put a plastic tool like this in there, pry it out. Afterwards, there's going to be one screw holding the whole tail light in. It's going to be plastic, have a spring on it. It's going to be 10 millimeter is what I used. Since there's not that much space in here to get a screwdriver, it also does fit a Torx, if you can see that. I don't know what size it is, but it is a Torx. That one screw holds the light into this housing. That housing is going to just have a one clip quick disconnect. The other side of that quick disconnect is going to be the Mopar Jeep. It's going to be closed. You're just going to pull it open and put your thumb down and depress it. When you do that, you pull it out of the socket. That's all. Then we're going to switch out to these. These came from the Borden store on Amazon. Wicked cheap, 120 bucks or something. As far as I can tell, they're almost all exactly the same on Amazon and Quadratech and all the other Jeep places, except these are just not branded. So they're like 120 instead of 300. These particular ones, this is for the right side. You'll see it has LEDs on the top for running. The exterior has running as a rectangle, I suppose. The insides are going to be brake, brake, brake. This is going to be reverse light. It's going to have a built-in transistor. I believe it's a transistor. It's pretty much so your Jeep doesn't throw any codes. And then, real simply, this is going to be on your stock light housing. It's going to have 3 Phillips head screws. You take them off. You take this plastic thing, you keep it, you line it up. There's only one way it's going to go. Keep left and left, right and right. Don't confuse it. Only one way to do it. Super easy, 3 screws. I already tested it. The wiring is the same harness. The wires line up, voltages are good. I'm just going to turn on the running lights for you real quick. So the running light you can see on the side, and the running light is in the back. That rectangle is the center of that is going to blink for blinker and brake. Middle is going to be reverse. Freaking, I don't know, 20 minutes, super easy. You only need pretty much 2 tools. Highly recommend it, and I'll update this if anything goes bad. And just the reason I did get the one with the running light on the side is because the stocks have something on here. The bottom is just going to be left blank. You can tell there's no LEDs in there. But yeah, when you just compare the two, I mean, it's night and day. This is what it was. I've had Jeeps for 20 years. I think they're the same exact rear light, or very similar. Just a plain reflector, a little light on the side here. This rectangle's a reflector. Some halogen bulbs inside. I mean, for 2020, 55 grand, and they're selling you a Jeep with halogen bulbs. Kind of annoying. But they also want 4 grand for the lights. So I changed out the front lights. I may as well show you while we're here real quick. So the retrofit source, we got these to change the halogens out. These are succession series, so they go from in to out as blinkers. This is smoked running, so the back will match out smoke. These are going to be halo, but they're going to be a cross shape, and the bottom also is going to be LEDs. So for, I don't know, $600, You can change every light, give or take, instead of the $4,000 from Jeep. So, alright, I hope that helps. I mean, just basic, super simple, and just to let you know. Oh, actually, one thing I should show you is this clip. I don't know if you've ever dealt with these transistors. Again, I'm sorry, I forgot what they're called. These things get super hot, like melting your plastic of your car hot. So what you're going to do, it comes with 4 small screws, 4 small nuts. It's going to line up. You're going to put it on like this. You're going to take these clips, which are right here. You're going to put them on. After you screw that on, you're going to put them on like that. And what I'm going to do, because I just looked in here, it's the easiest. You just have to look for a place. The other side is a better spot to put these. Stay away from this because this is the door. The gate going in and out. So I'm going to put them like here so they don't melt anything. And you just push them on and they slide to the frame. You're just going to put some pressure on them. So, yeah, those will melt plastic, so don't let them, and they will rattle, so don't let them just sit in there. All right, cool. Thanks.